With just one prompt, you can create a complete animated movie, completely free, entirely based on your own stories and characters. To be honest, I didn't believe it at first, but when I saw the results with my own eyes, I was truly shocked. You can even make live-action movies or any style you like. There are almost no restrictions on this platform. Just input a prompt, and you can generate a whole movie or animation. Characters, storyboards, and video clips can all be freely edited. Finally, it comes with a built-in video editor to facilitate your final adjustments. Of course, you can also directly export the finished film. It should be noted that the free version, like video generators such as Sora, will add a watermark to the finished product. However, if you are satisfied with the result, you can simply pay a small fee to remove it. Although the platform is still being continuously improved, even with the watermark, the final video is still stunning and worth a try. Go to the official website of MovieFlow and register with your Google account. You will see a very simple interface where you only need to enter a prompt to start creating. It is recommended that you first browse the Inspiration Zone to see the works created by other users with this AI, which can spark inspiration and help you better formulate your own prompts.
Зеркало, зеркало, покажи мне начало всего. Я хочу увидеть, как Бог сотворил мир. Спасибо тебе, Боже, за первое творение.
Welcome back to Fuzzy Pages TV. We're getting right into it today with the rumored 2025 Robert Plant set list.
Good evening, rock and roll rebels and classic connoisseurs, and welcome back to Fuzzy Pages TV. I'm Barnaby, and tonight we're diving into a ultimate.
Then, start writing your prompt. You can choose any language, set the video duration, or let the system decide automatically. Next, select the screen orientation, click Generate, and everything will start automatically. AI will automatically generate scripts, storyboards, dialogues, and scene atmospheres. The scene and character prompts for each shot will be precisely written and generated. You can even watch the entire process in real time, including the character design stage. Once the storyboard is completed, AI will move on to the video generation phase. At this point, you don't need to do anything. Just sit back and enjoy the entire creative process. In the chat bar on the right side of the interface, you can view the progress of each step or directly provide modification suggestions, offering a highly intelligent experience. In the final stage, the AI will also automatically perform basic editing and sound design. All content can be freely adjusted later, and I will show you how. If individual shots are not generated satisfactorily, they can also be regenerated or downloaded separately. Once the full video is generated, you can directly download it or open the built-in editor for fine-tuning. In the editing area, you can rearrange scenes, trim clips, and add transitions. Some advanced features, such as special effects, color correction, and audio enhancement are not yet available, but the basic functions are already practical enough. You can also ask MovieFlow's chatbot to directly help you make modifications. My suggestion is, if the generation effect is good, export it first, then use other editing software for final polishing. Many excellent editing software programs are free. I've also made some simple adjustments, so let's take a look at the final output next.
Hey, wait up, you little rocket! Out here, it was just us. Just me and my best friend. Where did that come from? We should head back. Now.
falling!